How to reset your Synchrony Bank password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow out in order to do so. So let's get started. So what we can do is we can visit synchronybank.com, synchrony.com and head over the login page. And in the top right corner, we can easily find an option of sign in that we can click on. After that, once we click on it, we'll be headed towards the next page. And inside this section, under the login field, we can directly look at for the option called forgot username or password. So we can click on this option called forgot password and click on it, open it up. And once we click on it, we'll be asked to verify our identity. So first of all, provide in your social security number right below the date of birth and click on continue. That is to confirm that it's really you. After that, you can follow the rest of instructions. You may receive a verification link or instructions. You can click on the link to continue to the next step. And you can create up a new password and save it. Once it is saved, you can use that credentials right here to log in again into your account. And always double check your details. You can try using a browser instead of the application. If still stuck, you can contact the support and they may unlock or reset it for you. And that's it everybody for now. You can follow out this method. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.